Adaptive display.
I have only found the destination adaptive micros.
Adaptive content. looking this over, this is the first time I've been to an Andy's Frozen Custard. I think there's a couple or a few in the region here. I want to get this key lime pie. I don't know exactly how to get it. I guess they have these things called concretes. That sounds like they're going to be kind of hard, but maybe that's okay. Maybe I'll get a medium key lime concrete. We'll see how that goes. Hope you guys are having a nice weekend. Today is Sunday the 6th of August. This just opened here probably this week. I think they had like a soft open or a party for employees or something a couple days ago. Been faked out a couple times where it wasn't really open, so I decided to come by today. Did a little POV drive on the way over here. Yeah.
Hey, how we doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
I was interested in the key lime pot. Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get like a medium key lime? Are there? I saw concrete, but is there some kind of a difference, or what's the?
A concrete's just it's going to be the best way to taste the pie.
Okay.
That way. I've seen people do it as a shake, but I've seen the best consistency of it come out in a concrete.
Okay, that sounds like what I want.
Medium one?
Yeah, medium one.
Any deal?
That's all.
All right, it's going to be 816.
Okay, here you go.
Love your car, brother.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
I seen you come by earlier. I was like, I was waiting.
Oh,
Hey, we're open. Come on by.
That's cool. Yeah, I wanted to get it.
11,
I wanted to get a couple
we
pictures.
At 10:55, so we're,
Oh, 10:55. Okay.
We see a beginning and ending. So when we close, we do 5 minutes after. And open.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, what time? I mean, when did you guys open? I know
we opened up August 2nd. It was a Wednesday.
August 2nd.
So,
Okay,
yeah,
so it's only a few days ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're doing really good, man. Rocking it out and enjoying it. So.
Okay, it's a nice place. I mean,
Yeah.
how many others are there?
We're gonna own 5. We opened 2 right now. We own 5.
Okay.
We have 3 other going under construction, but there's 135 locations.
Oh, there are. Wow.
Yep.
Okay.
Based out of Missouri.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And which one's your other one that's open?
And Ruskin.
Okay, Ruskin area.
Yeah, it's
okay.
kind of Riverview, but it's like on the border right there.
Okay.
Where it's
So that's sort of far, not far.
20 minutes.
Okay, very cool, man. Well, it's
Far enough. Too far for me.
Oh yeah, no, it looks like it's going to be popular. This is a good area for it. A lot of students and families and stuff like that. So
we were shocked to open on a Wednesday, do the sales that we did on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You know, usually we're like a weekend business. You know, where we make a bunch of money on the weekends at night.
Yeah.
It's been busy every day.
Awesome, man. Well, congratulations. So.
Just keep it rolling.
Exactly. Thank you. Nice guy. Came by a little bit earlier to get the thumbnail picture and to look at the menu so I'd have an idea of what to order. So he said it just opened last Wednesday, so it's only been open a few days. Awesome, man. Well, I appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you.
Come by, we'll take care of you, man.
Thank you. Take it easy. All right, so he says the concrete is the best way to experience the key lime pie. So that is what I got. Kind of show it to the camera. Looks kind of whitish, not too greenish, and I will take a try here. Oh, it's nice. Nice key lime pie flavor. It's got like a graham cracker crust. And this is the medium. This is actually pretty big. Bigger than I expected. But it says there's over 150 locations and spaced in Missouri, so there could be a Andy's Frozen Custard near you. You guys should check it out. Sounds like this franchisee, they have 2 open, 1 near Ruskin, and this is the other one, and then 3 more on the way. That is outstanding. Mm. Mm. Enjoy the rest of your day.